You have a service case on your construction site and don't know what to do. We at BAUER Machines are there for you. Fast, straightforward, and competent. With our BAUER remote service, we can help you immediately. We simply connect to your smartphone or tablet. Our experienced service staff will find a solution to your problem in no time. Save time and money with our BAUER remote service. And that's not all. Service costs are lower. Travel expenses are eliminated. Downtimes are reduced, and we save considerable CO2 emissions. Pretty sustainable, isn't it? For more information, just visit our website, www.bauer.de.